Hi, this is my website, the non-profit organization. It's called Cats Forever Home. I choose this NGO because I know that cats' lives also matter because I know they are also created by our God. And as you can see, the color I choose is blue. It represent trust, stability, peace, and calm. So, and this is what you can do to a adopt a cat, sponsoring cat, or fostering a cat. Yeah, most of the photo I use here flash. hmm And then this is my call for action to donate now. Save a cute cats today. And the most challenging uh, here in creating is the code um, to follow my wireframe. And mm, I'm so happy that I learned a lot in this hour class on how to create a website. And hopefully, is I can, I can improve more this one and to materialize also this page um, because I love cats. And that's all. This is my web page. Thank you.